Experiencing the pesky error at hooking API NtProtectVirtualMemory when launching Genshin Impact on your PC? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through resolving this issue step by step. So let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. First, update your graphics driver. You can do this through Windows Update, Device Manager, or by downloading it from the manufacturer's website. Method 1. Update via Windows website. Open Settings, click on Windows Update and select Check for Updates. Let Windows update any outdated graphics drivers, including your graphics card. Method 2. Update via Device Manager. Type Device Manager in the search box and open it. Expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers to update the graphics drive. Method 3. Update from manufacturer's website. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, download the latest driver, and install it. After installation, reboot your computer to check if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Fix corrupted Windows system files. First, type cmd in the search bar and right-click on the command prompt. Choose Run as Administrator and click Yes to grant permission. Now input sfc/scannow and press Enter to initiate the verification and repair process. After files are verified and repaired, restart your computer. Once your computer boots up, check if the error persists. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall Genshin Impact if all else fails. Try uninstalling and reinstalling Genshin Impact. Open Settings to uninstall Genshin Impact. Then navigate to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Find Genshin Impact. Click the three-dot button and select Uninstall. Then click on Uninstall again. Next, click Yes to confirm. Then open the provided link in your browser for the download link. Then click on the PC download. Now open the installer, click Yes to grant permission. Tick the necessary options and click Install. Click Run Now. Hit the Get Game button to start the installation. Install it, reboot your computer, and enjoy a game without the nagging issue. That's how you troubleshoot the error at hooking API NtProtectVirtualMemory in Genshin Impact on your PC. If this guide proved helpful, then please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in.